Hey, how you doing? Pat here. I'd like to talk to you about what's in this little silver container. What is that, you might ask? Well, they're right here. I finally got around to buying me some earplugs. I don't know if you've seen these on Facebook or not, but they've been advertising the heck out of them all summer long. They're supposed to be kind of like a noise canceling earplug. I know that don't make sense, but where it kills the wind noise, but you can still hear the voice through it. Full disclosure, I paid for these 100%. This is not a sponsored video. Let's get that out of the way right now. You open this up, and it is very fine thread. You have a place to put your two earplugs, and let me tell you, these things are easy to drop out of your hand and not realize you drop them because they are so lightweight. You get that screwed on, and then if you want, you can unscrew this other end. It has space for one more. And why is that, you ask? Well, let me tell you. Alright, now the traffic's gone, I can continue my video because you do get a third actual earpiece. And you also get 3 spare units here. See what I mean? How easy they are to drop? Okay, that was work trying to find this little booger. But as you can see, it is full of dirt here. And that is probably the biggest negative about these, is because of this hole in them. Let me just tell you without grossing you out, anything in your ears, whether it be dead skin, wax, or whatever, is going to build up in those. So this is going to be a high maintenance item. You do have to clean them very frequently. Alright, let's finish this product review inside the house here because it's getting kind of nasty outside. It's, what is today? The day after Thanksgiving here in the States. I think it's the 25th? I don't know. But anyway, as you can see here in my hand, this is the plastic container all of these spares come in. And you'll get 4 total spare earplugs, but only 1 spare filter, for lack of a better word. And to take it out, literally, you can just kind of squeeze these, pull it out by your fingertip like that. Then you can wash these out really nice and well. And then I don't know if getting these wet hurt. I'm assuming it does, so I don't get these wet. And then you can just put them back in, which is easier said than done. But there it goes in. And then if you need to, like I said earlier, you've got the bottom where you can keep the 1 spare if you choose, or you can keep a blank if you choose. But this is quite a nice little handy carrying case for your earplugs. I mean, it works really well. I've used these all summer now, and let me tell you, they work pretty darn good. You can still hear the music pretty well through these earplugs. You can still hear the wife through my Cardo Pack Talk Bold that we've got. Her voice comes through well. Matter of fact, I think actually both come through a little bit better because it's blocking out the wind noise. It does take a little bit of a while to get used to these in your ears, but once I did, it seems to be okay. And for me at least, it seems like if I take this tab and I keep it facing up like this, it seems like, for me at least, it works best that way. I mean, they're round, so I don't think it really matters. It just seems like this is how this works best for me. And yes, it will muffle all sounds to some degree. That's to be expected. It is an earplug, but it does a really good job of still letting the sound of traffic come through fairly well, and definitely voice coming through fairly well. Okay, in closing here, I think these are 45 bucks online. I am going to leave a link in the description below to my Amazon page if you would like to buy these. I would greatly appreciate the 1 or 2 cents I get out of it by you clicking on the link. It doesn't cost you anything more. But anyway, minus the box, everything here in this picture is what you get. You get this little plastic carrying case. You get the metal tube, which is really nice. And you can see here it's got O-rings on it, so it should be waterproof. Not that I've tested it. I don't see a reason to test whether this is waterproof or not because, let's face it, most of the time this is going to be empty if I'm actually using the earplugs. And the machining is actually really nice on it because the line all but disappears. It's pretty cool. And then you get 6 total earplugs and 3 inserts. Now, if these are different size, I've tried to figure that out and I couldn't find anything in the documentation. So I'm assuming they are all the same size. They feel like it to me when I've been playing around with them. Alright, I hope you got something out of that video. If you would, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please mash that subscribe button down below. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. I try to respond to all of them. Every now and then I miss a few, but I do my best to get back to anybody that makes a comment on my video or asks a question. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.